Hello there. We are going to start with the third part of maths chapter profit and loss, profit, loss, discount and tax basically. So this part is the last part of the chapter, and we are going to focus on discount as well as tax, both in the third part. Okay, in the first and the second part, we solved some challenging questions based on profit and loss only, but in third part we are going to focus on discount as well as tax. So I will, while teaching you and while giving you examples, I will share the knowledge regarding the concept of discount as well as tax. Okay, now there is no special formula for, you can say, discount or tax. Discount and tax both, they follow the basic principles or fundamental principles of percentage. Okay, only thing you must remember is discount has to be deducted from the selling price, or you can say marked price, and tax has to be added on the selling price. Okay, so we'll just note this thing down, very important. Discount must be deducted from marked price, and I will tell you what is a marked price. Okay, and tax must be then tax must be added to the selling price. Okay, now let me complete this statement. Discount must be deducted from mark price to get selling price, to get the selling price, and then tax must be added to the selling price to get the final amount to be paid, to get the final amount to be paid by the customer. Okay, so what happens is, in this discount and tax scenario, is when suppose you as a consumer go to a shop to buy a product. So suppose on the label there is a tag, a label or a tag which is attached with the products, and the price written on that label or tag is known as the marked price, MP, or marked price. It is also known as tag price. Okay, so this marked price or tag price, suppose it is rupees 2000. Okay, and on this mark price, some shops, like there are many shops in our area, if you go to them and if you see their mark price, there is always some off or discount in certain shops. Okay, so suppose a shop is giving a discount of 10%. Okay, so what is the discount? Discount is 10% off the marked price, that is 10% off 2000, that is 200. So 200 is the discount. Now if you want to find the selling price is equal to mark price minus discount, right? So yeah, you can say that this is a formula. This is not a formula as such. This is a concept. That's for getting the selling price, you have to deduct or subtract the discount from the mark price. That's what I have written over here. Discount, let me use another highlighter. Okay, this is bad. Discount must be deducted from mark price to get the selling price. That's what I told you. And then tax must be added to the selling price to get the final amount to be paid by the customer. So this concept we are going to strengthen with the help of solved examples. There are 10 examples. Let's do them one by one. Okay, mark price of a ceiling fan is 1750. So here we are going to deal with mark price more. Okay, mark price is equal to rupees 1750. 1750. And the shopkeeper allows a discount of 6% on it. So discount is equal to 6%. Find the selling price. Okay, so this is the first type of simple type of question. Let's do it. So as I told you, selling price is equal to mark price minus discount percent, but this is not the direct formula. ठीक है, mark price minus discount percent of mark price, this is the complete formula. So you will subtract the discount percent from the mark price, right? So how do you write this? Selling price is equal to 1750 minus 6% of 1750. Please remember this formula. Okay, this is one important formula. If you know mark price and discount percent, how to find selling price. So that is 1750 minus 6 upon 100 multiplied by 1750. 0 cuts over here. 5 2s are 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. 2 3s are 6. So 1750 minus 35 3s are, and 35 3s are is 105. So 1750 minus 100 is 1650 minus 5 is rupees 1645, and that matches with our answer. So answer is correct. Now you understood how to deduct discount from the mark price to get the selling price. The same thing I discussed here at the beginning, okay, as a little note. But here in the first question I showed you how to apply that formula, and I also showed you the formula itself, that if you have been given mark price and discount percent, and if you want to find the selling price, use this formula, then it will become easy. And of course the principle of percentage is always applicable, because this chapter is based on percentage. Next question. I told you there are 10 questions in all, so we are 9 more to go, 1 done. An article is marked at rupees 587.50. So again the mark price is given, rupees 587.50 is sold means selling price, at rupees 517. Find the rate of discount percent. Okay, so this is also very interesting. How you can solve this, I'll tell you. First, find the discount. Now what is the discount? Discount is mark price minus selling price. Remember this formula. Whichever formula I'm highlighting, please note it down and remember. Although it's given in your textbook before the part starts, but still I am again, while applying the formula, trying to emphasize on the importance of remembering the formula. But otherwise you cannot solve these questions. So discount is marked price minus selling price, that is 587.50 minus 517. So let me tell you, 587.50 minus 517, 70.5. Discount is rupees 70.50. Okay, we have to find discount percent. Now what is discount percent? Discount upon mark price into 100. Please remember this formula. Discount upon mark price multiplied by 100. Let's see if we get the correct answer with this formula, because I think that this is the correct formula. Okay, so I've given you 3 formula till now. First was this, which related selling price, mark price and discount percent. Second is discount is equal to mark price minus selling price, and third is discount percent is equal to discount upon mark price into 100. Let's check whether we are getting the correct answer or not. So discount percent is equal to discount, which is 70.50, upon marked price, which is 587.50, multiplied by 100. Okay, so this will be 7050 upon 587.50. Let's calculate this. 7050 divided by 587.50, and we are getting the answer as 12%. So these formula are absolutely correct. Okay, so three formulae, have you noted them down? You should. Okay, also do one thing while I'm solving these questions for you. If you have your notebook and your pen, please note down the method with which I'm solving these questions. Okay, note down the whole solution, don't copy it, do it yourself. Just look at my solution, understand, pause the video and solve it, and then unpause it, check it all over again, and then go ahead. Okay, you have to do it with every question. 2 questions done, 8 more to go. A trader marks his good 40% above the cost price. Now see, this is the play of percentage which is happening. Now the questions will become little trickier, so please pay attention. A trader marks his good 40% above the cost price and allows a discount of 25%. What gain percent does he make? Beautiful question, because it is tricky, right? Okay, so here now there are last class somebody asked me that whether we should use X method or 100 method. So here I would suggest you to use the method of X. Okay, so we'll use the method of X. Let the cost price of goods be rupees X. A trader marks his goods 40% above the cost price. Therefore, mark price is equal to X plus 40% of X. That is, you know what I'm doing? A trader marks his good. Marks means the marked price is 40% above the cost price, means I have to add 40% of the cost price in the cost price. That's why I'm doing X plus 40% of X. Then only I'll get my mark price in terms of X. I hope you're understanding this. So 40 upon 100 multiplied by X. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So X plus 2x by 5 is equal to 5x plus 2x by 5 is equal to 7x by 5. Okay, so this is basically the marked price. This is the marked price. Okay, now what they are saying is he allows a discount of 25%. He allows a discount of 25%. 25% discount on what? On the mark price. Okay, so we will find the selling price. So selling price is equal to mark price minus discount percent of mark price. You remember this formula? We used this formula in the first question. Selling price is equal to mark price minus discount percent of mark price. Okay, so let's use this formula. Selling price we'll find using this formula. Mark price is 7x by 5 minus discount percent. We already know the discount percent, 25%. 25% of 7x by 5. So 7x by 5 minus 25 upon 100 multiplied by 7x by 5. So 7x by 5 minus 7x by 20. Okay, so I have to take LCM and simplify this. 7 4s are 28x minus 7x by 20, that is 21x by 20. Okay, so this is the selling price. I've got the selling price. Now what else I have to find? What have they asked us to find? They have asked us to find the gain percent, that is profit percent. See, we already have the cost price X. We already have the selling price in terms of X, 21x by 20. Is it difficult to find profit percent now? No, not at all. So let's find the profit percent. See, first we'll find profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Okay, so profit is equal to selling price is 21x by 20 minus cost price is x. So profit percent is equal to 21x minus 20x by 20. So profit is not profit percent, profit. We are finding profit. Okay, profit percent will be in the next step. So this will be x by 20 rupees. This is the profit. Now profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP multiplied by 100. Profit is x by 20. Cost price is x multiplied by 100. So x by 20x multiplied by 100. X cut, 20 cuts with 100, and you're getting profit of 5%. Okay, so these are the formula, profit and profit percent formula from the first and second part of the chapter, which are applicable in the third part also. In addition to these concepts, we are learning about the cost price, the discount, the tax, and everything. So this was the first tricky question, and we got the correct answer. I hope you understood the method. If not, look at the video again. Look at this part. See this part all over again. Maybe you would understand with a new perspective. Okay, so I understand that this chapter is not very straightforward. It is difficult, and the probability of scoring good marks in this chapter is not, if you don't practice, of course, you cannot score very easily. So I recommend that you look at each and every question very carefully before just starting with the exercise. And practice is, of course, very, very necessary. So you have to repeat again and again, solve the questions to get proficiency in these questions. Okay, so let's go ahead and we have done 3 sums, 7 more to go. Let's go to the next question. A dealer allows a discount of 25% to his customer and still gains 25%. After discount of 25%, still he makes 25%. Find the marked price of an article which costs the dealer rupees 1080. Okay. Now, the cost price is given rupees 1080. Rupees 1080. The profit percent is given 25%. The discount percent is given 25%. We have to find the mark price. Do we know the selling price? No, we don't know the selling price either. Okay, so this is the scenario. Let's do it. Now, it's a matter of 2 formulae. If you remember the formula well, you can solve these kind of questions. Okay, so first, because we have been given cost price and profit percent, and we have to find mark price. Before going to the mark price, we'll find the selling price. Remember the formula from the second part of the chapter. Selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 multiplied by cost price. You remember this formula? See, I can show you again. If we just go to the second part, see, this is the formula I'm talking about, which we used in every other question of second part. Selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 multiplied by the cost price. Okay, so again we have to use the same formula to find the selling price. Now, why selling price is needed, I'll tell you, but first let's find the selling price. So selling price is equal to 100 plus 25 upon 100 multiplied by the cost price, which is 1080. So selling price is equal to 125 upon 10 into 108. Okay, 2 5s are 2 54s are. Selling price is equal to, let's find it, 125 multiplied by 54. Okay, so here 5 and 25 also gets cut. You can cut that. Okay, so your calculation will become simpler. So this is 25 multiplied by 54. 25 multiplied by 54, which is 1350 rupees 1350. Now we have got the selling price. How to find the mark price? Okay, you remember the formula: selling price is equal to mark price minus discount percent of mark price. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll take mark price as X. Just for a moment, we'll take it as X. Okay, so 1350 is equal to X minus 25% of X. Just for a moment. Don't be worried that, oh, we have taken X, then now what? Now we just have to solve the equation, nothing else. 1350 is equal to X minus 25 upon 100 multiplied by X. So 1350 is equal to X minus X by 4. So 1350 is equal to 4x minus x, that is 3x by 4, and which implies that x is equal to 1350 multiplied by 4 divided by 3. Now if you cut this, you get 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, and 0. 450 multiplied by 4 is equal to rupees 1800, which is your marked price. Got it? So taking mark price as x in any one of the equation actually helps you to get the value of x faster. Okay, so this is possible. So now understand that in this question we have used the formula for selling price from the second part, and we use this particular formula involving mark price, selling price, and discount, which we learned in this third final part, and we got our correct answer. I hope you understood this question. Okay, please solve this question after I solve it. Pause the video and solve it. Otherwise, you'll never get confidence. If you just watch this video and just zoom past, you're not going to get benefited. Okay, so don't act smart. Please solve it. Don't think that, oh, okay, I'll do it. This is easy. This is not easy until you do it on your own. Remember that. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, so we have done how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 done, 6 to go. Okay, after allowing a discount of 10% on the mark price of an article, a dealer gains 8%. By what percent is the mark price above the cost price? Very nice question. They are saying after allowing a discount of 10%. So discount percent is given. Discount percent is how much? 10%. On the mark price of an article, a dealer gains 8%. Profit percent is how much? 8%. By what percent is mark price above cost price? So we don't know the cost price and we don't even know the mark price also. So will X method be helpful here? Yes, we can definitely do with X method. So first statement would be let the cost price be X, rupees X. Right? In terms of X, if we are able to find the mark price, then we can definitely tell that by what percent is the mark price above the cost price. Okay, so let the cost price be X. Now, profit percent is 8%. So I'm going to use this formula. Selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 multiplied by cost price. See, there is no direct relation between cost price and mark price. We have to find first selling price using the profit percent, and then we have to go to mark price using the other formula for a mark price, relating mark price, discount percent, and selling price. So let's first find selling price in terms of X. So 100 plus profit percent is 8%. I'll just write 8 upon 100 multiplied by cost price, which is X. So selling price is 108x upon 100. I will not simplify this or cut this, but what I'll do is I'll use this selling price and directly find the mark price. Okay, so the formula for mark price is the formula for selling price is mark price minus discount percent of mark price. So selling price we know it is 108x upon 100 is equal to mark price. Now marked price is unknown, so let's keep it as it is, minus discount percent is 10%, 10 upon 100 multiplied by mark price. Okay, see, it's simple. Just look how I'm doing. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out mark price common because I have to find mark price. So in place of mark price, inside the bracket 1 will remain, minus 100, 10 upon 100. Now 10 upon 100 is, I'll keep it 10 upon 100 only, or should I do 1 by 10? I'll do 1 by 10, chalo, for simplicity. Okay, so 108x by 100 is equal to mark price multiplied by this will be 10 minus 1, 9 by 10. Okay, let's simplify this further. To find the mark price in terms of x, we are just very close to the answer. 108x by 100 multiplied by 10 by 9 is equal to mark price. So 9 12s are 10 and 0 will cut. So mark price is equal to 12x by 10 rupees. 12x by 10. So okay, so this is basically what we are getting, the value of mark price in terms of x. Now remember, the value of cost price was x, the value of mark price is 12x by 10. We have to find by how much percent is mark price above the cost price. Now we know that mark price is above cost price by 12x by 10 minus x. 12x by 10 minus x, that is 12x minus 10x by 10, that is 2x by 10, that is x by 5. Okay, mark price is x by 5 rupees above cost price. Let me write it again. Mark price is rupees x by 5 above cost price. Okay, so this is what we have known till now, that mark price is rupees x by 5 above the cost price. Now what? Now we have to find the percentage. Okay, so let the mark price be y% above the cost price. Let the mark price be y% above the cost price. Now here you have to be very careful. We can make mistake, even I can make mistake, because relating in this kind of question you have to be extra careful. Okay, so we know that mark price is y% above the cost price. Okay, so y% of cost price is equal to x by 5. What is this? What is this relationship? Think about it. How did I make this relationship? This is very similar to that, on the same note of that question which says that by what percent is raincoat costlier than umbrella? You remember, by what percent is wheat costlier than rice? This is on the same line. Okay, so y%, that is the percentage by which mark price is above cost price, y% of the cost price is equal to the amount by which mark price is above the cost price. How to simplify this? Y% of cost price is x, is equal to x by 5. Okay, so y upon 100 multiplied by x is equal to x by 5. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll cut x and we'll shift 100 to the other side, and we are getting 20. Therefore, mark price is 20% above cost price. Mark price is 20% above cost price. So remember that in these kind of questions, if they are asking by what percent is mark price above cost price, by what percent mark price is above cost price, if they are asking that, then if you are finding that percent, you have to find those percentage in terms of the cost price itself, not in terms of mark price. Okay, in terms of cost price you have to find those percentage. Okay, which is lesser out of mark price and cost price? Of course cost price. So y percent of that lesser thing, which is cost price, will be the amount by which mark price is higher than the cost price. Okay, then you will get the correct answer. The same goes for that questions which are for wheat and rice and umbrella and raincoat, which you have done in percentage, remember. So this is on the same line. We got the correct answer. We have done 5 questions, 5 more to go. Please solve each and every question with the video. That is my request to you. Let's go ahead. Find a single discount equivalent to 2 successive discounts of 20% and 5%. Now somebody would just read the question and write 25%. Never make that mistake. Never ever make that mistake, because you see the answer is 24%, and you must be thinking how the answer is 24%. Well, let me show you how the answer is 24%. But before showing you, let me tell you that percentage is not linear. You cannot simply add percentage, that's why if, like, the questions which we did in percentage, if wheat is costlier than rice by 20%, how much percent is rice cheaper than wheat? It does not come 20%, it comes something different. Why? Because percentage is not linear. Okay, so percentage is always dependent on the quantity of which you are taking that percentage of. Okay, now to make it more clear, let me solve this question and show you. So here we don't know anything. We don't know selling price, we don't know mark price. Of course, here there is no cost price involved, because only the question is only about discount. Okay, there is no profit or anything like that. So only selling price and mark price are involved. So we have to consider some amount, some number for the selling price, and here again I would tell you x will do. You can take the selling price as x. Okay, so no, not the selling price, the mark price, because you have to give discount on the mark price. So let the mark price be rupees x. Let the mark price be rupees x. Okay, so we have to find the single discount which is equivalent to 2 successive discount of 20% and 5%. So first what we'll do is, we have taken mark price as x. Let's apply 2 different discounts, successive discounts of 20% and 5% on this mark price. Okay, so case 1, x minus 20% of x. What we have done is, we have reduced the mark price by 20%, that is applied a discount of 20%. So x minus 20 upon 100 into x, that is x minus x by 5, that is 5x minus x, that is 4x by 5. Okay, case 1. And case 2. Case 2 is, we will take this 4x by 5 and we will further reduce it by 5%. 4x by 5 minus 5% of 4x by 5. Why we are doing this? Because we are applying successive discount. Successive means one after another. So एक बार x के ऊपर डिस्काउंट किया, 4x by 5 मिला, उसके ऊपर और एक डिस्काउंट कर दो, तो 4x/5 और कम हो जाएगा. So 4x/5 minus 5/100 multiplied by 4x/5. ठीक है, 5 कट हो जाएगा. सो यहाँ पे काम करो, इसको सिंपल करना है अगर तुमको तो एज इट इज रहने दो. 4x/5 माइनस 4x/100. अब एलसीएम ले लो 21. सो ये हो जाएगा 80x माइनस 4x/100. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, 80 माइनस 4x कितना होता है, 76x/100. ठीक है, मतलब मेरा मार्क प्राइस x था और फाइनल सेलिंग प्राइस कितना आया, फाइनल सेलिंग प्राइस 76/100, 76x/100. अब इसको मुझे अलग से कंसिडर करना है. सेलिंग प्राइस कितना लेना है, 76x/100 और मार्क प्राइस कितना लेना है, x. अब मुझे ढूंढना है सिंगल डिस्काउंट. तो क्या करूंगा मैं, SP इज इक्वल टू MP माइनस डिस्काउंट परसेंट ऑफ MP. 76x/100 इज इक्वल टू मार्क प्राइस, मार्क प्राइस कितना है, x माइनस डिस्काउंट परसेंट. डिस्काउंट परसेंट कितना है नहीं पता है, ऑफ मल्टीप्लाइड बाय मार्क प्राइस दैट इज x. ठीक है, अब डिस्काउंट परसेंट हमें अगर निकालना है तो कैसे करेंगे इसको, इसको डिस्काउंट परसेंट ही रहने दो और इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं हम लोग. पहले x को कॉमन निकालते हैं. 76x/100 इज इक्वल टू, x कॉमन निकाला तो क्या बचेगा, 1 माइनस डिस्काउंट परसेंट, 1 माइनस डिस्काउंट परसेंट. मुझे ये गड़बड़ लग रही है कुछ, क्योंकि x तो कट जाएगा और अगर 100 नहीं लिया डिस्काउंट अपॉन 100, चलो हम लोग डिस्काउंट परसेंट को डिस्काउंट अपॉन 100 लिख देंगे नेक्स्ट स्टेप में. ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, देयर इज नो इश्यू. ओके, सो 76x/100 is equal to x multiplied by 1 minus d/100. ओके, सो ये x कट जाएगा. 76/100 is equal to 100 minus d/100. ठीक है, 100 कट and d is equal to 100 minus 76 which is 24. Now if you want to find the discount percent, discount upon mark price into 100, right? Discount upon, yeah, discount percent is equal to discount upon mark price into 100. ठीक है, so discount is 24, mark price is, actually this should be 24x, 24x, shouldn't it be? Did I not write 1x? I think directly we are getting 24%. Why we are doing all this? Okay, so we can directly write, therefore discount percent is equal to 24%. Okay, so this is how you find the discount. Or you can maybe if you got selling price and mark price, you can just subtract them, get the discount and then get the discount percent. No need of using this formula. You can try by that method also, but we have got the answer. Okay, so this is the method with which you will do this question. How many questions we have done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 more to go. So this weekend we are going to have a live class in which I'm going to record that live class, in which I'm going to solve all the doubts from this chapter. Okay, that's why I didn't make a separate doubt solving video of this chapter. It is now we'll do one thing. What we'll do is we'll not take a test for some time. We'll focus on completing the syllabus and solving your doubts only, and we'll every Sunday the live class, every weekend the the Saturday or Sunday or Friday, whatever the live class is, whenever the live class will be, we will only keep it for your doubt solving. Only keep it for your doubt solving, so that that interaction is there, right? That interaction must be there. Also, I'm going to start giving you practice work, because it is becoming mandatory that you're doing so much of you can say homework or whatever, but side by side you should not forget the chapters which are already done. So I'm going to prepare some practice worksheet and provide it to you, but till then, just whatever we have to focus on that. Okay, let's do the next question. 4 more to go. 7, 8, 9, 10. A dealer quotes the price of a suitcase as rupees 675. Now, quotes the price. What is quotes? Quotes means mark price. So mark price is equal to rupees 675. Remember these words, quotes and all. And charged tax at the rate of 8%. So tax percent is 8%. Find the amount that a customer has to pay for the suitcase. Okay, so final amount has been asked. Now here there is no discount. Have they mentioned discount in the question? No. So that means there is no discount. So how to find the final amount? So final amount is equal to 675 plus 8% of 675. I'm directly adding the tax on the mark price. Why? Because there is no discount. So mark price is the selling price. Mark price is the selling price in this case. So how to find the tax, the final amount, I'm sorry, 675 plus 8 upon 100 multiplied by 675. Let's solve this and get the final answer. Okay, so 6.75, that is 675 divided by 100 multiplied by 8, which is 54. So 675 plus 54 is nothing but rupees 729. This is the final amount our customer has to pay. Easy. Okay, 7 questions done, 3 more to go. Now text questions are started. Abhay bought a mobile phone listed at rupees 2800. Now listed means mark price. Okay, if he got a discount of 15 by 2% on it, okay, there is a discount also, very good, 15 by 2%, and paid tax at the rate of 10%, tax percent is equal to 10%. Find the final amount he paid for the phone. Final amount has been asked. Always write these things. क्वेश्चन में जो जो दिया है उसको लिस्ट कर लो ना, इजी हो जाएगा तुम्हें क्या करना है, कैसे कौन सा फॉर्मूला पहले अप्लाई करना है, हाउ यू विल प्रोसीड, एवरीथिंग विल बी इजी. कितना इजी हो जाता है. ठीक है, सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस वन. सो अभय ने एक मोबाइल फोन खरीदा 2800 में, जिसका मार्क प्राइस 2800 है. ये जो लिस्टेड है ना, लिस्ट प्राइस या मार्क प्राइस या टैग प्राइस, वो सब मार्क प्राइस ही रहता है. ठीक है. नाउ फर्स्ट थिंग आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस पार्ट टुडे इज दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड द सेलिंग प्राइस. मतलब पहले डिस्काउंट अप्लाई करना है, सेलिंग प्राइस ढूंढना है, देन टैक्स ऐड करना है. ठीक है. सो लेट्स फाइंड द सेलिंग प्राइस. सो सेलिंग प्राइस इज इक्वल टू मार्क प्राइस माइनस डिस्काउंट परसेंट ऑफ मार्क प्राइस. ठीक है. सो सेलिंग प्राइस इज इक्वल टू मार्क प्राइस, दैट इज 2800 माइनस डिस्काउंट परसेंट, that is 15 by 2% of mark price. Mark price is 2800. Okay, selling price is equal to 2800 minus 15 by 2 the whole upon 100 multiplied by 2800. दो जीरो यहाँ पे कट. So selling price is equal to 2800 minus 15 by 2 multiplied by 28. Okay, so 2 14s are So selling price is equal to 2800 minus 14 multiplied by 15. Let's do that. That is 210. Okay, so selling price is rupees. So 2600, 2590. Okay, so we got the selling price, but we want to find the final amount, and therefore final amount paid by the customer, paid by Abhay for that phone is equal to 2590. We have to add the tax simply, plus 10% of 2590. That is 2590 plus 259. 2590 plus 259, 2849. Okay, so great. We have found the answer of this. Now two more questions to go. This was easy, right? How do you think about this question? Very simple. So tax वाले question इतने difficult नहीं है. हाँ, डिस्काउंट परसेंट और प्रॉफिट परसेंट दोनों है तो थोड़ा लंबा हो जाता है क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कैसा है. टू मोर टू गो. The price of a television set inclusive of all tax is rupees 13530. Okay, so ये तो फाइनल अमाउंट बोल रहा है. फाइनल अमाउंट of the television is equal to rupees 13530. If the rate of tax is 10%, tax percent कितना दिया है? 10%. All right. Find its basic price. What do you mean by basic price? And the amount of tax. Okay, so they mean to say what is the selling price. So they are asking the selling price and tax in rupees. Okay, that's easy. Let the selling price be rupees X. Okay, so amount is equal to X plus 10% of X. So what I've done, I've added 10% of tax into the selling price to get the amount. Now amount I know, 13530 is equal to X plus 10 upon 100 multiplied by X. So 13530 is equal to X plus X by 10. So 13530 is equal to 11x by 10. Okay, so 13530 multiplied by 10 upon 11 is equal to X. Okay, let's solve this. 13530 divided by 11. Okay, it gives 1230. So 1230 multiplied by 10, that is X, that is rupees 12300. So that is the basic price, that is the selling price. Okay, so we got the selling price and amount of tax. Okay, so tax is equal to 10% of selling price, that is 10% of 12300, that is 10 upon 100 multiplied by 12300, and it is simple, rupees 1230, that is the tax. You can also find tax by this formula, which is amount minus selling price, which is 13530 minus 12300, which also will give you rupees 1230. So that's an alternative method, or you can use this. Okay, so we have got two formulae, two methods. Easy. This was easy question. Okay, so now we are going to move to the last question of the chapter. The chapter will be over. After this chapter, we'll be having doubt solving sessions on Sunday, or sorry, this weekend. But before that, I'm also going to upload videos as I get time of physics and chemistry, the next chapters of physics and chemistry also. So be prepared for that. Okay, Sachin purchased a bat for rupees 1458. Purchased, which includes 10% discount on the mark price and then 8% tax on the remaining price. So we have got the final amount. What is the final amount? Rupees 1458, right? Okay, what is the discount? Discount percent is equal to 10%. What is the tax percent? Tax percent is equal to 8%. Okay? Find the mark price on the bat. Okay, so we have to find the mark price. The easiest method of doing this is let the mark price be rupees x. X is always useful. Be friends with algebra. It will help you a lot. If you're relying on that 100 wala method, then you have to do unitary method, and that is waste of time. So X method is always good, except some of the questions which I have told you earlier. That comparison, cheaper and costlier wala question, in that you have to take 100. But all the other questions are to be done by the X method. Okay. So let the mark price be rupees X. Now, first, what do we do to the mark price? Do we deduct discount or do we add tax? Yes, we deduct discount first. Okay, so the selling price is equal to X minus 10% of X. Mark price minus discount percent of mark price. So X minus 10 upon 100 multiplied by X. Okay, so X minus X by 10, that is 10X minus X by 10, that is 9X by 10. Okay, so this is basically your selling price. Now what? Now we have to find the final amount in terms of X and then equate it with 1458 to find X. Okay, so amount is equal to selling price plus tax percent of selling price. What is the amount? 1458. What is the selling price? 9x by 10 plus what is the tax percent? 8%. 8% of 9x by 10. Now let's solve this equation. 1458 is equal to 9x by 10 plus 8 upon 100 multiplied by 9x by 10. So 1458 is equal to 9x by 10 plus 72x by 1000. Okay, all right. Let's take LCM and simplify this. 1458 is equal to 900x plus 72x by 1000. Let's simplify this. 1458 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 972x. So x is equal to 145,800 divided by 972. So x is equal to, let's get our mark price. We are just one step away. No mistakes here, no silly mistakes, no calculation mistakes. Okay. There seems to be a mistake. Yes, I have made a mistake. Here the LCM is 1000. Okay, so here there will be 1000, here will be one more zero, and the final answer is 1500. The mark price of the bat was 1500. That is the final answer. I hope you understood all the techniques which I've taught in this video. Part 3. This completes the chapter. We are done with your profit and loss. That's a huge chapter. With this, we have done 4 chapters of maths, and we are going to now focus on physics and chemistry and then come back to maths. Okay, so I want you to complete this exercise, the last exercise. I think 1 or 2 exercises, whichever are there, the final exercises, you must complete it and gather your doubts, and we will solve it in the doubt class, in the live class this weekend. Okay, so be ready for that. I'm going to upload this video now. Watch it, solve all the solved examples with the video, and then start the exercise. My instructions are very, very clear. If you follow my instructions, it's going to help you a lot. If you don't, if you choose not to follow, there will be no growth in your marks, in your academic performance. If you want some changes, follow my instructions. That's my message to you. All right, see you later. Bye bye.